In structured query language, what are the group by, having, and order by clauses? What is where? Also, we'll discuss. So, group by clause is coming after select from where. So, let me tell you about select, that is, we are selecting columns, from where, certain table, and with certain condition which we give in where. Right? Now, after that, we want to group. That is, we have certain grouping attributes. That is, if we have same records, identical records, duplicate records. For example, you want to group boys and girls. Different groups we want to make. Now we want to make certain condition also. That is, this having will work on the aggregate. I'll just show you. And then we want to show the whatever has come by group by and having in ascending or descending order. So group by is used to arrange identical duplicate data into groups for which select statement is giving, and this statement to group the result set by one or more columns. Group by clause always work with an aggregate function like the max, minimum, sum, average, count. So maximum value will come, minimum will come, sum will be added, average will be added and divided by the number of count, and count is the number of rows. Okay. So we'll make say a vehicle production table. It's a very simple table. It has 3 columns. One is ID, one is model, one is price. There is nothing. This is only showing that how we made a table. The left code is. So the basic thing is ID, only numbers. But if you see here, model is repeated. There are 4 L551. L538 is 3, L50 is 2, and L545 is unique. Okay. Now this L551, the first 3 one has repeated price. They means first 3 rows are exactly similar, only the IDs are different. The fourth is different, though it has the same model, but the price is different. Coming to 5th and 6th, same code but same price, but 7th, same code with different price. L530, again the codes are different but the prices are different, right? L545 entirely different. So select from where. Always remember, from cannot come after group by, having cannot come before where, all these. So always this formation you have to know. Select from where, group by, having, order by. Select from where, group by, having, order by. Because select from where is a different construct. When the result comes, you can group with a certain condition which is having, and then you ascending, descending by group by. This order by. So the group by clause, the syntax is you are selecting certain columns from certain table name, and you are grouping by certain column, and these column are coming from select. Okay, it has to come from select only. So now let us take an example. First table is on all these discussion, the rightmost is always the basic table which we made. Select star from vehicle production. Now we want to select all the column from the table vehicle production. So this is the table I'm talking about, which is the original table. This is the result, first result. ID has come, model has come, price has come. So everything has come. Select star all column from vehicle production. Now I'm going to change it. Now we want to add a group by. Now we are selecting model and price. That is only 2 columns. So only model and price 2 column will come. From where? From the table. This is our original table which we made. So this is vehicle production. Select model price. So only 2 column is going to come from the table which is vehicle production. Now group by model and price. Now what will happen? Now it is very important. L551, all these three are repeated. They are duplicate. So only one will come. L551, 8,50,000 will only come one. And the other one, L551, the price is different. That will also come. Identical duplicate will only come once. This is important. Coming to L558. Now there are 2 rows, 5th and 6th, which are repeated. So only one will come. But L538 with 5,50,000 will come only one. L530, they are different. The prices are different, so they will come L530, 530, they are different. And L545, only one entry. So it will also come. Okay. I hope group by, the first group is model, the second group is price. But this model and price has come from select also, coming from the table. Now we will group by with aggregate functions. Aggregate functions, as I just told you, min, max, sum, average, etc. So now we are selecting model and price. So first column will be model, second column will be price. Count star means the name will be quantity of model. Count star means it will count number of things, how many times it is repeated. So count will always count the record, that is the rows. So we have some price, this is another thing. Some pricing will be added. I'll just show you what price will be added. And the name will be total price of model. From vehicle production, now group by model and price. So the model and price will be grouped. So all these content will come, and these third and fourth column will be based on model and price. So only one L545 will be there. So it will only count will be 1 and price will be 2,50,000. L530. Since the numbers are different, the prices are different, so it will come. Okay. 530, 530. No problem up till here. Now coming to L538. Now you see L538 is repeated, 5th and 6th row. But the count will be, because it is repeated, so count will be 2. So count will be 2. And what about the sum price? So 6,50,000 will be added, and it will be 13 lakhs. This is important. Now coming to L551, only one entry is different, but other three are repeated. So it will be 3, count will be 3, and 8,50,000 thrice, it will be 25,50,000. Right? That is how the value will be, is pertaining to the grouping which we made, group. And finally the one count of L551 will become. Now coming to where clause. Please remember, select works with where works with select. Select from where. Now where will not work with group by. That is, you cannot have where after group by. I'll show you the example also. But let us see what is happening. We want model and price, so these column will come, model and price. From vehicle production, this is our original table, where model not equal to L530. So now the rows which are having L530 will be eliminated first of all through where clause. Now grouping will be done on model and price without this L530. So again L551, because they are 3 repeated, only 1 will come. 538, because 2 are repeated, only 1 will come. Only one price will be shown. And L538, because the price is different, will also come. And L545, because it is just single, it will come. So basically duplicate similar things will be grouped. This is very important to understand in group by. Where cannot come after group by. I'll show you an example. See here, in this same code we have used just now, and now we have exchange. Group by is now followed by where, or you can say where is preceded by group by. So group by will always come after where. You cannot change this. So if you want to do this, there will be an error. Same thing, I'm just taking these two lines and swapping it, and there will be an error. Clear? Having. Now when we have where with select from where, what about if you want to have a condition for group by? Select from where was already there, so it will work on the rows. Okay. What about the condition that you want to put on in the columns, which is coming after group by? So you want group by condition that will come from having. So if you want something like where after group by, that is possible through having. And having clause works with a group by clause, but specifically works on aggregate function condition. Select model price, so model and price will come. From vehicle production, this is our original table. Okay. Group by model price, so model and price will be 2 column. Okay. Now the condition is having some price greater than 6 lakh. 6 lakh. Okay. So whichever is below 6 lakh, just remove it. This all will come. But now this will only come with a single instance. 3 instances of L551 is there with same price. Only one will come. Then we have this L551 with a different price. That will also come because it is more than 6 lakh. Now L538 again, because it is repeated, so only one will come. That is what group buy does. L538 6 lakhs 50,000. Okay, and others below 6 lakhs won't come. So having is just like where, because where doesn't work with group buy, so it's a where for group buy. Now what you saw here is, I'll just take you one more step back, and you will see that the results are not coming in ascending or descending order. We want 8,50,000 to come first, or you can say 2,50,000 should come first. That is ascending, descending we want. So we already have group buy we used a condition having buy, but now we want this result to be shown in ascending and descending order. So there is one more clause along with this group buy and having, which is order buy. And this order buy, we are doing the select model price from the table, grouping through model and price, so 2 columns will come, and having some price greater than 4 lakh, so just cancel anything which is less than 4 lakh. Okay, now whatever is coming is ordered by price, DSC for descending. Price is a column on which this order buy has to be applied. So price, the highest amount is L551 8 lakh 50,000, so it will come. L551, next price is 7 lakh 50,000, so it will come. L551 will come. This second will come. Then the third one is, because this is repeated, only one can come because group buy. So 6 lakh 50,000 will come. And then finally we have L538 and L530, so which is higher, 5 lakh 50,000. Finally 4 lakh 50,000, so descending order it will come, DSC. Okay, I hope we have fair idea about all these. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.